and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a flying cat. Let's begin the activity. I do not want this to be in this activity, so I'm going to delete it. Let's add a cat from the sprites library. From the search box, you can search for it and take this flying cat. Let's add a backdrop also. Let's say this one. And to make it more interesting, let's add one more character, say walking bear. And I want that the cat should be flying towards right hand side and the bear should be facing towards the cat and walking towards it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the bear and go to the costumes. Now I'm going to select this particular costume and click on flip horizontal. So the bear is facing towards left hand side now. Likewise, I have to do the same for the remaining costumes also, like this. Now you can see on the left hand side where we can see different costumes are there. All of the costumes are facing towards left hand side. Great. So now when we begin to code, let's first give the starting position to the sprites. That means when you click on the green flag and start this activity, so the characters that are there on the game stage, they should have their starting positions. So going for the beer first, let's go to the events category and say when green flag is clicked, and to the motion category, then go to this particular location. Now you can see that the value here is 143 minus 81. So right now the beer is at this position. You can see from the sprite area also, if you can follow my mouse pointer. So it will pick the values automatically. And I want the cat to be up here on the left hand side. So you can see the coordinates are here and the instruction will pick them automatically. So again, for the cat, when we click on the green flag, so it is supposed to go to that particular location. You can see the coordinates are the same. And I want the cat should be facing upwards. So let's go to the costumes and see. This will be the second costume, cat flying bee. That is the name of the costume. So we can call it as switch costume. So go to the looks category, say switch costume to cat flying bee from here. And you can see it is facing upwards now. Next requirement is the bear should be walking towards the cat continuously. So what we can do is go to bear and say that uh, in the same instruction set only that it should be forever continuously moving towards the cat. So if we say move 10 steps, so if we click on it, you can see how this is working. The bear is going towards right hand side. We want the bear to come towards left hand side. So that means we need to give a minus sign here. Uh, let's say minus 10, for example. Now, when you click on the green flag, the bear is running towards the cat. We need to slow him down. So we will reduce the value. Instead of 10, let's call it minus 2. Say 2 steps. Then click on the green flag. Great. Now the speed is fine, but bear does not like, does not look like that it is walking. So let's go to the looks category and say change costume, say next costume here, and click on the green flag one more time. Now the bear is like running towards the cat and we want him to look like it's walking. So go to the control category and take this instruction. Wait for 1 second, reduce the time here, say 0.1 second, and click on the green flag one more time. Great. So now the bear is walking towards the cat. Our next requirement is when we click on the cat, it should fly up in the air. So we have covered that in order to go up, the y coordinates are supposed to increase. So what we can do is to the cat, we can give the instruction when we click on this particular cat. So the y axis should change. So that means change y by 10. How many times? If we click on the cat one time, you can see it's flying up a very less distance. So we need to repeat it continuously. So we will add a repeat block here and click on the cat and see. Okay, so we want the cat to fly a little bit more. So we can say 20 times. Now click on the green flag. The bear is walking towards the cat. Click on the cat. It's going to fly up in the air. And now it should change the costume. So go to the looks category and say next costume. And after that, it should continuously fly in the air. So the same instructions that we have given to the bear, same instructions will be given to the cat also. Forever move 10 steps. Now maximize the game stage. Click on the green flag and the bear is walking towards the cat, and once before it reaches close, we are supposed to click on the cat and make it fly away.